Hi, this is Naeem Hussain. Today I'm going to talk about the words that will always take singular verbs and pronouns with it. So let's start with a few of them. Number one, any with singular noun. Sometimes it looks like it is plural, but it's not. Anybody doesn't mean that everybody. Anybody is an individual form, so anybody, right? So when you were making sentence with anybody, then you have to use singular verbs with this. For example, you can say anybody who has a good degree can study overseas. Anybody who has, so anybody who have will not be okay. Anybody who has, anybody has. Then anyone who has a good degree can study overseas. Anything that has a good configuration can work for this project. So anybody has. So these are the words that looks like plural, but it's not. It takes actually singular verbs. And then no with singular noun. Nobody, no one, nothing. Nobody doesn't mean that everybody. Nobody is like individual person. So nobody, that means not a single one. So nobody, no one, and nothing. How can you make sentence by it? Nobody is going to watch TV. That is, nobody is. It takes singular. It should not be nobody are going to watch. It should be nobody is. Nobody is singular, right? Not a single person. No one is going to visit, or no one is going to help you, or no one is interested to take the course. So no one, it's singular. Then nothing, that means not a single thing. So nothing is going to work for it. Don't say nothing are going to work for it. It is nothing is going to work for it. When we use some with singular noun, then it also makes singular format. Somebody is going to take the class, so somebody is. Somebody has taken the course. Somebody has made the building. So somebody has, not somebody have. Don't think some is like not a single one. No, somebody. It is used as singular form in a sentence. Someone is taking the course, or someone is going to visit the project. Someone is using the mobile phone. Someone is helping you. So someone is. Something, it means something is working for this, or something is needed for the development of this project. So something, it works like singular. And then everybody, it looks like that it's plural, not everybody are, everybody is. Everybody is taking preparation for the exam. Everyone is taking preparation for the exam. Everything is helping to change or to develop the project. So these are the words that will always help you to make sentences, but be careful about this, that you always have to use singular verb and pronoun with all these words. So thank you very much for watching the video. If you want to get more videos like this, do subscribe our channel, like our page, and try to share your opinion about this video that you have watched throughout the time. If you have any suggestion, you're most welcome to share your suggestion with us. Thanks once again. Goodbye.